lawyer for Madam Renuka Balasubramanian. Yes.
But the security is tight today. Huh? The security is very tight. The police has to wear full protection. Behind the tanks always police.
Court hearing investigate what actually took place in the lockup and establish the facts. Because, you know, as I said again, like just make the point again. Once the police arrest anybody, you are responsible for the physical welfare of that person. So the doctor says this man died from a very serious illness. How did that happen? It's not like this. I give you the difference. It's not like you know how somebody sometimes can have a heart attack and die. Okay, it's not that, you know. That's different. This is infection that is building up. There were symptoms. Somebody is having a very serious infection that can kill you. Has fever. He will have pain. He will be very ill. He will look very ill. Right? Why is such a person not taken to hospital? That is the question. It's not like somebody who has a massive heart attack and then just dies like that. That's different. That's not the case here. This is not the cause of death.
You want to take a photograph of the death cell?
Oh, that's a sure.
That's
fine.
The paper,
What happened? They want to take a shot? Let's go over here. Madam Mala, myself, and Ms. Renuka, and Madam Mala's daughter met with Dr. Prashant just now, who is the forensic pathologist who did the post-mortem. And his conclusion is that the death of Mr. Prakasam is the cause of toxemia.
infection of the blood.
Yeah, toxemia is infection of the blood. What do you call it? Resulting from spontaneous peritonitis. Spontaneous peritonitis. Peritonitis is an infection. That means it's an infection of the stomach area. Yep. So what this shows is that Mr. Prakasam was very seriously ill in the lockup because the nature of the infection was serious enough to kill him in the early hours of Sunday morning. We don't know the exact time of death, but that's roughly what the doctor says the time of death would have been. And Mr. Prakasam was arrested on Wednesday about afternoon, Wednesday afternoon. And 4 days later he's dead. Yeah? So a lot of questions arise because we know he was taken to the magistrate on Thursday. Complained to the magistrate about assault, and after that he was put back in the lockup. Sunday morning, early hours in the morning, he died, and what the doctor says is toxemia from peritonitis. So we are calling for an immediate inquest. We want an immediate inquest, that means a public inquiry conducted by the magistrate, which is mandatory under the law anyway, because when somebody dies in the lockup, there must be an inquest, and we want these questions answered. How come such a person, a detainee in the lockup, can suffer this sort of, what do you call it, serious illness, and that takes place in the lockup without him being taken to hospital and so on.